there's a lot of videos, pictures and stuff.
This is former location of Rolling Acres, the mall that used to be here in Akron, Ohio. They've been doing construction, tearing it down. Look at all the debris and pipes everywhere. Wow. We have to be careful everywhere we step because there's so much debris everywhere. Pipes and metal and bricks. I'm not going down there. Wow. Look, there's glass right there. I'm not sure if that was part of the mall or if that's separate. Over there. As you can see, all the tractors and everything, they're still working on construction over here. And tearing it down and eventually build the Amazon building. Now they're still tearing stuff down way down there. The mall wasn't this big, was it? It didn't go all the way out there, did it?
It was a pretty big mall.
Wow. Yeah, probably, because there's the lights over there. The same lights that they have over around here.
Hey, they're good. Ernie with Jay, what's up, man?
Is it Jay?
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, my wife says hi too. She's here with me.
Aw.
Yeah, we just got the old Rolling Acres. Look at all this. Oh, man. It looks like World War III happening out here. Hey, how you doing out there? Just saw your last video on that mansion they turned into a nursing home. Excellent. Can you hear me on here okay? Okay, slacking, packing. No. I imagine they will soon though. Not yet. Wow. It's like a ghost town out here.
Yeah. I was just thinking the same thing. It's like a ghost town out here.
Surprised we haven't got yelled at yet. a little glare, so I might not be able to see some comments yet.
All of these trucks, I don't know why there's so many. Dollar General.